Hello. Today, let's have a nice comparison video about two flagships. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro from 2025 against the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The ultimative smartphone comparison here today. Today we are comparing two of the best flagship smartphones available. Both devices represent the very best from the Apple and the Samsung area. But which one deserves your money in 2026? In this video, we will compare the design, display, performance, camera, battery life, AI features, software production tools, and the overall value. Let's go. We got started with design and build quality. The iPhone 17 Pro continues Apple's premium compact flagship approach. And this I like. It's not so big, but it's strong and powerful. It features a 6.3 inches display, premium aluminum frame, ceramic shield protection, IP68 water and dust resistant, lightweight design, and around 206 grams. The Galaxy, meanwhile, is built for power users. Large 6.9 inches display, durable aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, integrated S Pen. That's really nice. IP68 certification around 240 grams. If you prefer a smaller, easier to hold phone, the iPhone wins. Yeah. If you want a maximum screen size and a productivity, the Galaxy wins. Yeah. Let's go to the both displays. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro 6.3 inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Up to 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. Wow, up to 3000 nits peak brightness, excellent color accuracy. The Samsung Galaxy goes with 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED, QHD plus resolution, 120 refresh rate possible there too, and Gorilla Glass Armor 2, anti-reflect coating and privacy display technology. That means Samsung offers a large display and high resolution, a better outer visibility, and less glare in brighter sunlight. Apple delivers extremely accurate colors, smooth animation, and excellent HDR performance. Okay, I prefer the Apple device. Then the performance. Powering the iPhone's Apple's latest A19 Pro chip. Samsung used the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 for Galaxy processor. Both smartphones are incredible fast. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, multitasking, or using an AI features, you will enjoy flagship level performance at both smartphones. Samsung has a light advantage in heavy multitasking and graphic-intensive workflows, while Apple's chip remains incredibly efficient for everyday use. Let's go to the software. The operation system. iOS 26 at Apple. Long software support. Excellent ecosystem integration. It works seamlessly with the Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Samsung comes with the Android 16, One UI 8, Samsung DeX desktop mode, split screen multitasking, floating window, good lock customization, much greater personality options. So if you are already invested in Apple's ecosystem, the iPhone is your choice. Still your choice. If you enjoy customization and productivity, Samsung clearly offers more flexibility. AI features. The artificial intelligence is a major focus for both. Apple comes with Apple Intelligence, writing tools, smart summaries, AI-powered image editing, smarter Siri, productivity assistance. But I think Samsung makes it better with Galaxy AI. We have Live Translate, Circle to Search, Audio Razor, AI photo editing, AI Notes, AI Call Assist, One Device AI features, productivity tools powered by the Galaxy AI. So Samsung currently offers one of the most complete AI experience available on Android. Let's go to the cameras. The camera comes in the iPhone with 48 megapixels 3 times, main, ultra, and telescopic camera system 3. The Apple continues to lead in natural colors, excellent skin tones, outstanding video quality, Dolby Vision HDR, ProRes recording, cinematic mode, and reliable autofocus. For video creators, Apple remains one of the industry benchmarks. Then the Samsung on the other side comes with 200 megapixel main camera, 50 ultra wide, 10 telephoto, 50 periscope, 4 camera systems, up to 5 times optical zoom and 8K video recording, outstanding night photography, incredible image detail. Samsung shines when it comes to zoom photography, landscape shot, high resolution images, and camera versatility. But video recording for content creators, the iPhone is industry-leading video stabilization, reliable autofocus, Dolby Vision, Pro resolution, excellent color consistency. The Galaxy comes with 8K recording, 4K at 120 frames, excellent zoom video, processor camera control, and strong low-light video performance as well. That means for video editing, for video shots, iPhone is the king. For photography, Galaxy should be yours. Battery life. The iPhone 17 comes with an 4,250 mAh battery, excellent efficiency, max wireless charging. Wow. The Galaxy comes with 5,000 mAh battery, longer battery life, faster wire charging, and Qi2 wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Samsung has a small advantage in overall battery endurance and charging versatility. The productivity can clearly favor Samsung, I think, because we have their Samsung DAX built-in S Pen, really nice. Multi-window, drag and drop, floating apps, advantage multitasking. For many users, it can be replaced a laptop for light work. Apple focuses more on seamless integration between an ecosystem devices rather than desktop-style productivity. Because at the Apple, you have an iPad as well. Then, of course, the price. The iPhone 17 Pro generally starts at a lower price. Wow! The Galaxy S26 will cost more, but it includes a larger display, bigger battery, built-in S Pen, more versatile camera system, better zoom capability, yes, more productivity features. And if you want the most hardware and features for your money, Samsung offers an excellent overall value. But finally, of course, you buy the Apple iPhone 17 Pro if you record lots of videos, prefer a compact flagship, already own an Apple device, and you want a smooth and polished software experience. You can go to Samsung if you want the best camera versatility, frequently use zoom photography, need productivity features, enjoy Android customization, and want built-in S Pen. Prefer a large display and battery as well. So, both smartphones rank among the very best flagship devices available in 2026. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro delivers outstanding video recording, exceptional software optimization, and a seamless integration within Apple ecosystem. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra stands out with the largest display, versatile camera system, built-in S Pen, powerful Galaxy AI features, and an excellent multitasking capability. So it's up to you. I choose the iPhone 17 Pro. What are you talking about to choose? Tell me in the comment, please. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.